Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
You are welcome to the contest number 8 of the Goil Regional Championship of Nsmq 2025. This is the regional championship in the Ashanti region, and contesting in this contest are Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, Amaniampong Senior High School, St. Louis Senior High School, and Yaa Asantewaa Girls Senior High School. Thank you for your thunderous welcome to my contestants. Contestants, kindly introduce yourselves. So from Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, we have
Sisu Tugulu.
And
Fire Sir Raphael Mauli.
Then from Amaniampong Senior High School, we have
Gandri Nicholas.
And
Kwesi Benedict Apia.
from St. Louis Senior High School, we have
Owusu Bekwin Michelle Safwa.
And
At the moment, Bida Nya.
Then from Yaa Asantewaa Girls Senior High School, we have
I'm having Treme Blessing.
And
Arthur Ella Yaninakon.
ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. The Goil Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil PLC with support from Momo by MTN and Joy News. We acknowledge also the efforts put in by CHAS in support of the program by training our contestants to be here for the competition. We say thank you to CHAS. I am Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, this contest has 4 rounds. Each round has its rules. For each round, you are going to answer questions from biology, physics, mathematics, and chemistry. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should you be asked to repeat, please repeat your answer, not change it. In the first round, each school gets a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong or you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may ring their bell for them to answer correctly for a bonus point. But when they get it wrong, they lose a point. Please, wait for me to tell the school that answered that they are wrong. Or if they don't answer, wait for the bell to go out on them. Then you can ring the bell. Anything before that, you won't be allowed to pick a bonus point. You would have to ring the bell to alert me when you're ready to pick a bonus point. So please, let's check our bells. Our Lady of Grace, Amaniampong, St. Louis, Yaa Asantewaa. Good, all our bells are working well. So I'll be starting the first round with Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, and I wish all schools the best. Is there anything wrong, Amaniampong? The bell is too far. That's where it's always been. Okay. We continue, or we start our contest with round one. Okay. So we start our first round with Our Lady of Grace Senior High School. I wish all schools the best. Round one. There's a preamble to this first set of questions, and it reads, give the meaning of the prefix given as used in biology. Give the meaning of the prefix given as used in biology. Our Lady of Grace, yours is ecto. Yes, Raphael.
Outside.
Correct. Amaniampong. Exo. Yes, Nicholas.
External.
Okay. St. Louis. Oligo. Yes, St. Louis. Hubaida.
Small or few?
Few is correct. Yaa Asantewaa. Anti or anti?
Opposite or against?
Against, correct. Preamble to all schools. You are given 4-heptene-2-one. You are given 4-heptene-2-one. Our Lady of Grace, identify the hybridization of carbon 1. Yes, Cecil.
SP3.
Correct. Amaniampong. Identify the hybridization of carbon 2. Yes, Benedict.
SP2 hybridization.
That is correct. Benedict, please speak louder, okay? St. Louis. Amaniampong, please. St. Louis. Identify the hybridization of carbon 3.
SP3.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa. Identify the hybridization of carbon 5.
SP3.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
SP2 hybridization.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Evaluate. Evaluate. Our Lady of Grace. The integral of 3x squared multiplying the expression x cubed plus 5. So that expression to the power 3 dx. Yes, Raphael.
1/4. Multiplying the expression in brackets x cubed plus 5. This bracket raised to the power 4 plus c.
I give to you. Amaniampong. The integral of 4x multiplying the expression to the power 4. The expression is 2x squared plus 3 dx. Yes, Benedict.
We have a fraction with
Please
numerator.
lift the microphone.
A fraction with numerator 2x squared plus 3 in a bracket to the power 5 and denominator 5. That fraction plus c.
Correct. St. Louis. The integral of 6x squared multiplying the expression to the power 5, and the expression is 2x cubed plus 1 dx. Michelle.
A fraction with numerator, the expression in brackets, 2x cubed plus 1, this bracket to the power 6, denominator 6, this expression plus c.
That is correct. Yaa Asantewaa. The integral of 6x multiplying the expression to the power 6, and the expression is 3x squared plus 2 dx.
A fraction with numerator in brackets 3x squared plus 2 to the power 7 and denominator 7. All this expression plus c.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Use the given information to find the kinetic energy of an object rotating at angular speed omega about an axis for which its angular momentum is L. Use the given information to find the kinetic energy of an object rotating at angular speed omega about an axis for which its angular momentum is L. Our Lady of Grace. Omega is 16 radians per second, and L equals 5.0 times 10 to the power negative 3 kilogram meter squared. Raphael.
0.64 joules.
Correct. Amaniampong. Omega is 25 radians per second, and L equals 8.0 times 10 to the power negative 3 kilogram meter squared. Yes, Our Lady of Grace.
2.5 joules.
Correct. Saint Louis. Saint Louis. Omega equals 18 radians per second, and L equals 5.0 by 10 to the power negative 3 kilogram meter squared. Yes, Hubaida.
0.81 joules.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa. Omega equals 32.0 radians per second, and L equals 1.5 by 10 to the power negative 4 kilogram meter squared.
Zero point 48 joules.
0.48
joules.
Incorrect. Our Lady of Grace.
0.0
again.
0.077 joules.
Incorrect. It is 7.68 joules. This is a common request of all of you. When I get to you, give me your answer. Name one major function of proteins in living organisms. Name one major function of proteins in living organisms. Our Lady of Grace, yes.
Okay. Protein promotes growth.
No. Amaniampong. Go ahead, Nicholas.
Protein repair worn-out tissues in the body.
They?
Repair worn-out tissues in the body.
No. Saint Louis.
In the absence of carbohydrates, protein undergoes respiration to produce energy for the body.
No.
Yaa Asantewaa. Protein helps in DNA synthesis.
Incorrect. So when we say major, we are asking you to group all these into headings. And it's the headings we are looking for. So proteins have 4 major functions: storage, structure, transport, catalysis. Preamble to all schools. Determine the molecular formula of the compound with the given empirical formula if one molecule has the given mass. Determine the molecular formula of the compound with the given empirical formula if one molecule has the given mass. Our Lady of Grace, CHN, 1.8 times 10 to the power negative 2 gram. Yes. Raphael.
C 2 H 2 N 2.
Incorrect. Amaniampong, your empirical formula is CH2O, and the mass is 2.0 by 10 to the power negative 22 gram. Yes, Benedict.
C for
Benedict, raise the mic and speak into it.
C for H8O4.
Correct. St. Louis, your empirical formula is C3H2O2, and the mass is 2.3 by 10 to the power negative 22 gram. Go ahead, Michelle.
C6H4O4.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa, your empirical formula is CH4N, and your mass is 3.0 by 10 to the power negative 22 gram. Yes, Blessing.
C12 H8 N2. Look at what you've written.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
C6H24N6.
Benedict. That is correct. Benedict, I need you to speak louder for me, okay? So, Our Lady of Grace, yours should have been C4H4N4. Preamble to all schools. Solve the given inequality. Solve the given inequality. Our Lady of Grace. The expression x minus 1 over the expression x plus 2 is greater than 0. Yes, Raphael.
X is such that -2 less than x, which is less than 1.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
X is such that x is greater than 1.
Please
or
speak louder.
X
lift the mic.
is such that x is greater than 1 or x is less than -2.
Correct. Amaniampong. The expression x plus 3 over the expression x minus 2 is less than 0. Yes, Nicholas.
Okay. X is such that -3 is less than x, less than 2.
Correct. St. Louis. The expression x plus 1 over the expression x plus 5 is greater than 0. Yes, Hubaida.
X is such that x is greater
Please
than
speak louder.
x is such that x is greater than -1 or x is less than -5.
Correct. Hubaida, you may have to turn the mic to your mouth so that you can speak louder into it, okay? Yaa Asantewaa. The expression x minus 3 over the expression x minus 5 is less than 0.
We have x is such that 3 less than x less than 5.
Correct. Preamble. Find the acceleration due to gravity, the given height above ground, if the ground value is standard gravity and r is the radius of the earth, assumed spherical. Find the acceleration due to gravity, the given height above ground, if the ground value is standard gravity and r is the radius of the earth, assumed spherical. Our Lady of Grace. 0.20 r. Yes, Raphael.
0.39 meter per second squared.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. 0.10 r. Yes, Benedict.
9.7 meter per second squared.
Incorrect. St. Louis, 0.25R. Yes, Michelle.
Okay. So it is 16G.
16
G.
G. Incorrect. Yaa Asantewaa, 0.15R. Go ahead, lesson.
We have 7.4 meters per second square.
Incorrect. So, Our Lady of Grace, your answer should have been 5.9 meters per second squared. Amaniampong, 7.8 meters per second squared. St. Louis, 4.9 meters per second squared. Yaa Asantewaa, 6.9 meters per second squared. That's the end of the first round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red Recito!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
So we have some challenges. State the hybridization of carbon atoms. Our Lady of Grace is saying that Amaniampong answered as sp3 hybridization for their major question, and sp2 hybridization for the bonus. Yaa Asantewaa sp3 hybridization is different from sp2 hybridized, likewise that of the sp2. Hence, the term hybridization used was wrong. But the question said, give the hybridization of carbon 1. So all I need to hear is sp3, sp2, sp3, sp2. Once I got that, I gave it to the school. I'm not seeing what you mean by... all I heard was sp3 hybridization. I don't remember anyone giving me hybridized. I was given sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization. That's what I was given. And that's what you are saying, it should be sp3 hybridization or sp2 hybridization. So I'm still not getting this one. Okay, so we have Amaniampong. State the functions of proteins. Proteins are involved in repairing worn-out tissues. The preamble did not ask for grouped functions. The preamble asked for major functions. Major functions. The preamble asked for major function. The repairing worn-out tissue would fall under structure. So I'm not giving. Then this one, major function, this from St. Louis, saying that major functions of proteins includes hormonal, storage, transport, support, catalysis. You have listed 5 for me. And you are telling me your response, proteins can produce energy for the body. It is not a major function. Then, Our Lady of Grace. You also are saying chemistry set 2. I have checked. For some reason, the contestants also head to the power 2. But I remember reading 1.8 times 10 to the power negative 22. They only heard the 2. They didn't hear the 20. Whatever be the case, they gave an answer. With the negative 2, they shouldn't have been able to give me a molecular formula. They shouldn't have been able to give me a molecular formula. We've asked questions that answers have been none, impossible, or things like that. But you gave me a formula, and that is wrong. So no, you are not getting it. If you had told me it was impossible, then we would have had cause to look at it. But once you gave me a formula, I cannot give to you. When he comes, you bring. Okay, so we are back to our challenges. Chemistry. This is from Our Lady of Grace. You insisted I called the consultant. The consultant says, if it is then 1.8 times 10 to the power negative 2 that was given, then it is an impossible task. You shouldn't have been able to get any compound, but you gave me a compound, so it is wrong. You have the right to say it is impossible. And we have had issues, we have had questions where we've given answers, none. It cannot be done, so it is impossible. Then the second one, state the hybridization. This one too, you insisted I call the consultant. I have called the consultant. He is not bothered about hybridization or hybridized. He agrees. SP2, SP3, they are just enough. And this one, okay, this same on the hybridization thing. And this one too. Who gave me? All that I was interested in, I wrote. So for the first school, it was SP3. I took the SP3. Second school, it was SP2. I took the SP2. Third school, SP3. I took the SP3. The fourth school, it was SP2, and they gave me SP3. I refused. And another school gave me SP2. I accepted. So I don't see the... Yes, Yaa Asantewaa, your answer was SP3. The answer is SP2. SP2 is different from SP3. So please, you are not getting. Then Amaniampong. Repair of worn-out tissues falls under repair and maintenance, which is a major, no, I'm not, which is a major function of protein. If you are giving me a sub for a major, how do I accept that? It is not acceptable. Then St. Louis, we have talked about this one. We have talked about this one. You have listed major functions. Then you're asking me to accept something that is not in your own list. So please, no. Amaniampong. It was the same thing you had brought earlier. Then this one is from Yaa Asantewaa Girls. I am the consultant. So you know what? Biology, the consultant is traveled. It is me that you'd have to call. I am right here for you. Okay. So there's one more challenge or protest for physics. We have to reach the physics consultant. So we are holding on to the results. Once we are through with that, we'll call out the results. So we'll continue with the second round. Thank you. So we continue with our second round. In this round, I'll give all schools a question at a time. And the faster you are, the more points you earn. This is speed race. In this round, when the question comes, as soon as you're ready with your answer, you press the bell. I call you. You give your answer and it's correct, you are the first school, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, second school may answer correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school may answer correctly for 1 point. When they're also wrong, fourth school may answer correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get the answer wrong, you lose a point. Please, in this round, when you ring the bell and I call you, you have 3 seconds to start giving your answer. If you don't, a bell will go out on you, and your answer will be considered wrongly given. That is you losing a point. And starting your answer with, we have, and this is, Madam, it is, they don't count as you starting your answer. So when the bell goes, I'll move on from you. Anytime you ring the bell, you have cost another school a point. So be ready with your answer. If you are answering and I realize you are still working out and reading out the answer to me, I won't accept. I'll move on. So I wish you all the best. Be ready with your answer before you ring. We start with the second round. Audience, I need your utmost silence. Please, utmost silence. Your contestants need to hear what I'm going to say. Round 2. How are chlorophylls distributed across chloroplast thylakoids? Yes, Amaniampong.
They are distributed on the thylakoid membranes.
No. They are studded across the membrane. What name is given to energy stored in a system? Yes, Yaa Asantewaa.
Internal energy.
Incorrect. Who was second? St. Louis.
Internal heat energy.
Incorrect. Amaniampong.
Enthalpy.
Incorrect. Has the bell gone? Hey. Have you heard of potential energy? You were not expecting this in biology. What is the nature of the cytosol of a cell when its total concentration inside the cell exceeds the total solute concentration of a solution in which the cell is suspended? Yes, St. Louis.
It is hypertonic.
Correct. How many atoms are in one molecular formula unit of CH2NO if its molecular mass is 220.13 grams? Yes, Amaniampong.
Okay, we have 25.
Correct. My bell people, please be alert. I need you. The gas phase decomposition of nitrogen dioxide is first order with respect to NO2. If the rate constant is 6.40 by 10 to the power negative 2 per second at 35 degrees Celsius, calculate the initial rate when the concentration of NO2 is 0.0250. Yes, Our Lady of Grace.
1.60 by 10 raised to an exponent of -3 mole per decimeter cube second.
Mole per
Decimeter cube second.
mole per decimeter
Cube second.
cube second. That is correct. What is the total number of atoms indicated by the empirical formula of 1,3-dichlorobenzene? Our Lady of Grace. Leave it.
12.
Your answer is wrong. Amaniampong wrong.
6.
Correct. Our Lady of Grace, when you press, leave it. If not, and the other school that rings, your number will merge with theirs, okay? 3 fair coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads. Our Lady of Grace.
3/8.
Correct. Find the value of the constant k if the equation x squared plus kx plus 8 equals 0 has one root to be twice the other and both roots. Yes. Our Lady of Grace.
Equals -6.
Correct. Find the locus of the point. Find the locus of the point P, xy, moving in the Cartesian plane such that it is equidistant from the point A, 50, and the y-axis. Yes, Amaniampong. Leave it, please.
Y squared is equal to 10x minus 25.
Correct. If the primary winding of an ideal transformer contains 200 turns, determine the number of secondary terms required for a 2-volt output. Yes, Our Lady of Grace.
100 turns.
Incorrect. St. Louis.
400 turns.
Incorrect. When the input is 40 volts. Yes, Amaniampong.
10.
Correct. Find the magnitude. Find the magnitude of the net force on a particle acted upon by 2 forces, a 30 Newton force and a 40 Newton force that make an angle of 60 degrees. Yes, Yaa Asantewaa.
We have roots of 13
Okay.
multiplying 10.
Our Lady of Grace.
3.1 Newton.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. Oh, okay. St. Louis.
10 root 13 Newton.
10 root
13 Newton.
Incorrect. Yes, Amaniampong.
60 Newton. 60 Newton.
Incorrect. The answer is 10 root 31 newtons. Find the shortest wavelength in the Bremsstrahlung spectrum generated. Find the shortest wavelength in the Bremsstrahlung spectrum generated electrons accelerated through a potential difference of 2 kilovolts. Yes, Our Lady of Grace.
6 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 12 meters.
Incorrect. Yaa Asantewaa.
Have 6 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 12 meters.
Incorrect. .6 nanometer. That's the end of the speed race. send to me. So, I've decided we'll change the question for Our Lady of Grace so that they get a fair treatment. Yes, so we are changing the question. Now the physics. The physics. Yaa Asantewaa Girls gets the answer that they gave, 7.4. So they get it correct. So the other schools, your answers are Our Lady of Grace, 6.8 meters per second squared. Amaniampong, 8.1 meters per second squared. St. Louis, 6.3 meters per second squared. And then Yaa Asantewaa gets 7.4. So I'm waiting for the question for chemistry. So I'm still not going to give any results. Yes. So we are done with that one. So we are done with that one. So, yes, there's a challenge from Amaniampong. How are chlorophylls distributed across chloroplast thylakoids? And they said they gave me they are distributed on thylakoid, which was already in the, this is what they gave me, distributed on thylakoid. That's the answer they gave me. I'm not looking at what you have given me here. I write everything a school gives, and they give me distributed on thylakoid. They are distributed on the thylakoid, which is the, but please, before, we don't even need to look at that. The word, I'm only looking for one word, studded. Studded. If you gave me just studded, so I have studded underlined here. All I needed was the studded. So if you gave me studded, I'll give to you, because we have established that there's a membrane. Studded is all I needed. You are saying it is distributed across the thylakoid membrane. That is your answer that you have written here. And that is what I'm telling you, your students gave me. Distributed on the thylakoid membrane. And I'm telling you, all I was looking for was studded. Because we know it is on the membrane, but the distribution, it is studded on the membrane. That is what I was looking for. So please, you are not getting it. Let me see if my, okay. So back to you. This is only for Our Lady of Grace. Our Lady of Grace. We have the same preamble. Let me just read it back to you so that Our Lady of Grace. Determine the molecular formula of the compound with the empirical formula CH2O. If one molecule has the mass 3.0 by 10 to the power negative 23 gram. Go ahead.
It cannot
Is
be
my
solved.
timer there?
It cannot be solved. It cannot be solved.
It cannot be solved. It is incorrect. It is C6H1206. Please, check with them and let's finish with it. Teacher, please, let him be. Let him finish his work. So we continue. Amaniampong, you are saying Our Lady of Grace gave the unit of their rate as per decimeter cube second. That is the correct one. Yours of per decimeter cube per second is wrong. Theirs is the correct one. So we continue with the third. St. Louis would like to make a change. So Juanita Beidu is coming in for Hubaida. You are welcome, Juanita. Thank you for being with us, Hubaida. So we continue with our third round. In this round, I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are correct, 2 points for you. Quiet, please. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer, the bell will go out on you, and another school may ring the bell to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. You usually have 10 seconds to answer, to tell me whether it's true or false here, unless it is otherwise stated. Yes, are you coming again? Our Lady of Grace, you protested. We have changed the question for you. You are still insisting the question that has been changed is wrong. How else are we supposed to do this? It is solved. This thing. I have been given a question and an answer by the consultant. So, yes. Consultant. Okay. Okay. He's so patient with you. I don't know why. He says I should give you another one. Same preamble. Same preamble. Your empirical formula is CH2H5, and the mass is 4.3 by 10 to the power negative 22. My timekeeper, are you keeping time? Go ahead.
C14. H.
C what?
14. H. 98.
H.
98.
98. Is that all?
Didn't give us anything else.
That is incorrect. It is C18H45. I gave you C2H5 with 4.3 by 10 to the power negative 22. That's not what I gave you. CH2. Okay, I'll give you another one. Don't worry, I have more. I have more. Our Lady of Grace. I come again. CH2O. And your mass is 3.0 by 10 to the power negative 22.
C6 H12O6.
Correct. Then Yaa Asantewaa, you are also not happy with, you are saying a chemistry question. That was, you were promised it will be taken care of. Yes, and that one is the same thing I have addressed here. So I gave Yaa Asantewaa, your SP3, SP2 thing. That is it. 4-heptene 2-one. That is it. And consultant says the 5th carbon is SP2 hybridized. So if you are still fighting this, please, you can write a protest. Consultant has spoken with you. He has taken. So at the end of round 1, Yaa Asantewaa had 12 points. Our Lady of Grace had 15 points. Amaniampong and St. Louis each had 18 points. At the end of round 2, Yaa Asantewaa had 9 points. Our Lady of Grace had 20 points. Okay, 20 points. St. Louis had 18 points. And Amaniampong had 24 points. So we start with our 3rd round. Our Lady of Grace. A benthic ecosystem is a terrestrial ecosystem.
False. False.
Correct. Amaniampong, a riverbed forms a benthic ecosystem. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. St. Louis, the rainforest is an aquatic ecosystem. Go ahead.
False.
That is incorrect. Oh, it is a false statement. It is a false statement. Yaa Asantewaa, a coral reef is a terrestrial ecosystem.
False.
Come again.
False.
Incorrect. Ca2 plus and Ar are isoelectronic. Our Lady of Grace.
True.
Correct. Amaniampong. P3 minus and S2 minus are isoelectronic. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. St. Louis. O2 minus, O2 minus, and Mg2 plus are isoelectronic. Yes, Juanita?
True.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa, N3 minus and O2 minus are isoelectronic.
True.
Correct. Preamble. The given expression is a rational expression. The given expression is a rational expression. Our Lady of Grace. The root of the expression 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 5.
True.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. 3x squared plus 5x plus 7. Go ahead.
Well, false.
Incorrect. St. Louis. 10 over the expression 2x minus 5. Go ahead, Juanita.
True.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa. The expression x squared minus 4x plus 5 over the expression x cubed minus 9.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. An object slides down a uniformly rough inclined plane. An object slides down a uniformly rough inclined plane. Our Lady of Grace, the object slides at constant speed.
False.
Correct. Amaniampong. The object slides at constant acceleration. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. St. Louis. The magnitude of the acceleration of the object is less than the magnitude of the acceleration due to gravity at its location. Go ahead, Junta.
False.
Incorrect. Yaa Asantewaa. The magnitude. Quiet, please. Please, I need my contestants to hear me. I'm pleading with you. Yaa Asantewaa, the magnitude of the acceleration of the object decreases as the object slides down.
False.
Correct. Preamble. In rainforests, Our Lady of Grace, the soil is poor in nutrients.
False.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. Species richness is low. Go ahead. Nicholas.
True.
Incorrect. St. Louis. Average rainfall. Please, Amaniampong. Average rainfall is low. Juanita.
False.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa. Annual rainfall. St. Louis, please. Amaniampong, you are still disturbing. The noise has now stopped from there. I know where the noise is coming from. Yaa Asantewaa, annual rainfall is high.
True.
Correct. Our Lady of Grace esters contain a carbonyl group directly bonded to a nitrogen atom.
False.
Correct. Amaniampong. Carboxylic acids can stabilize their conjugate bases through resonance. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. St. Louis. Aldehydes and ketones both contain a carbonyl group. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa, amines are classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary based on the number of nitrogen atoms.
False.
That is correct. Those outside, please, we need the silence. Preamble to all schools. The given pair of lines are parallel or perpendicular. The given pair of lines are parallel or perpendicular. Our Lady of Grace, x plus y equals 2. Y equals x plus 5.
True.
Amaniampong. X over 3 plus y over 2 equals 1. And 2x plus 3y equals 12. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. St. Louis. Y equals 3x minus 3. And x over 1 plus y over 3 equals 1. Go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. Yaa Asantewaa, 2x plus 5y equals 10, and 5x plus 2y equals 15.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A small rectangular loop of copper wire. A small rectangular loop of copper wire is dragged over a pole face of a bar magnet. A small rectangular loop of copper wire is dragged over a pole face of a bar magnet, Our Lady of Grace. An EMF is induced in the loop as it approaches the pole. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. Amaniampong. An EMF is induced in the loop as it recedes from the pole. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. St. Louis. The induced EMF in the loop vanishes when any portion of it is over the pole.
False.
Correct. Yaa Asantewaa, the induced EMF in the loop vanishes if its motion is halted.
False.
Incorrect. That's the end of the third round. Okay, so St. Louis is complaining that for the round 2, we did not look at the answer. You gave an answer 10 root 13 as your answer. It is wrong. It is 10 root 37. So you are not getting it. Then Amaniampong, you are saying 3x squared plus 5x plus 7 is not a rational function. What else is a rational function? Please, it is a rational function. And please, Yaa Asantewaa, I did not ask a question here. You have, it's a coral reef, a terrestrial ecosystem. I did not ask a question. This is round 3. I make statements. So my statement is a coral reef is a terrestrial ecosystem. And you said false. Coral reef is found in the sea. It's an aquatic ecosystem. So, oh, I get you now. I get you now. But you have a coral reef. Okay, a coral reef is a terrestrial ecosystem. That is a false statement. Okay. No, so it's 19. They get 19 now. What else again? Squared plus 5x plus 7 is a rational expression, and Amaniampong is saying it is not a rational expression. So it's being explained to them. So we are moving on. At the end of round 3, Yaa Asantewaa Girls Senior High School had 19 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School had 27 points. St. Louis Senior High School had 28 points. And Amaniampong Senior High School had 31 points. Contestants, this is the 4th and final round. I have 4 riddles for you to solve in this round. But GOL has the GOL Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that is able to solve 3 out of 4 of the riddles correctly, with 200 Ghana cedis going to the team. If you solve all 4 of the riddles correctly, you get 400 cedis for the whole team. The GOL Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOL PLC, Good Energy. So I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you are able to solve on clue 1, you earn 5 points. Clue 2, you earn 4 points. 3, to the last, 3 points. Each riddle comes to all of you. So you may take turns in solving the riddle. I wish you all the best. As soon as you are ready with your answer, press the bell. I'll stop whatever I'm doing and give you the opportunity. Audience, the room is too noisy. The room, good. That's what I want. Thank you. Riddle, riddle. We are a group of plants. We are not a taxonomic group. We have a well-developed vascular system. We produce fruits and yes, that is Yaa Asantewaa.
Angiosperms.
Incorrect. We produce fruits and seeds. Angiosperms are part of us. Our dominant plant body is vegetative. We have well-developed root and shoot systems. Our counterparts are known as lower plants. Who are we? Amaniampong.
Higher plants.
Correct. I am an important classification of molecular shape under the VSEPR theory. I describe the shape of certain molecules. I typically result when there are 2 regions of electron density. I occur when a central atom forms bonds in a straight line. Yes, St. Louis.
Hybridization.
What?
A hybridization that is linear.
No, you change your answer. I have a bond angle of approximately, yes, Our Lady of Grace.
Linear. Linear.
Lenient.
Linear. Linear.
Linear. Correct. Please. Let's continue. I am easily misrepresented as a vector, but I am not really a vector. The problem is that I indicate direction, or I indicate a direction. Yes, Our Lady of Grace.
Bearing.
Correct. 4 points. They get 4 points. 4 points. 4 points. I am a physical object. I am electromagnetic. I am composed of a winding and frequently an iron core. I become a magnet when an electric current flows through my coil. Amaniampong.
Solenoid.
Incorrect. I am quiet. I am a magnet whose magnetization is in. Amaniampong, why? A teacher doing this. He stood up. The one by you stood up. I am a magnet. 3. Yes.
Electromagnet.
That is correct. That is the end of the contest. Please, we have a challenge here. Amaniampong is challenging that Our Lady of Grace did not say linear, they said lenient. Please, wait, please, sit. Sit, everybody, cool tempers. I'm the one in charge, not you. Now listen. We have heard all sorts of things being said just because of tonation. Just because of tonation. He said linear. I wanted him to say it clearly. I heard linear. So I asked, is it linear? And he said linear. Then his colleague said linear, which is what everybody would understand. I wanted to clear the ambiguity. They did not say linear. Linear. I wanted to be sure it wasn't linear he was saying. And his friend clarified it. Or they want it played. St. Louis is saying that, so the same linear thing. St. Louis is saying that linear is a shape and it's not a model of the, it's not VES, no, it is VSEPR, not VES. Maybe you are talking about something else I don't know about. But what you have here is VSP, is it IL or just L? And the answer should be linear hybridization. Please, please, give me the opportunity to explain this one. For the riddles, the riddle, if you don't wait for the last clue to be read, it is a gamble that you may win or lose. Now, for hybridization, depending on whether it is SP1, SP2, SP3, there will be a specific bond angle associated with it, right? Good. Now, I read the clue, I occur when a central atom forms bonds in a straight line. The next clue is that I have a bond angle of approximately 180 degrees. Does hybridization, if there is a specific hybridization for this, then that should have been the answer. We continue. I am found in molecules such as CO2 and BeCl2. Once you get here, there is no objection to the fact that it is linear. Now, the consultant, the answer we are looking for is linear, but the consultant gave room for anyone who gave linear geometry or linear shape. But if you just give me linear, you are right. And that is what I took. So our contest has ended. Yaa Asantewaa Girls Senior High School had 19 points. change your answer. We.
Hybridization.
What?
A hybridization that is linear.
No, you change your answer. I have a bond angle of approximately, yes, Our Lady of Grace.
Linear. Linear.
Lenient.
Linear. Linear.
Linear. Correct. Okay. So we got a playback. We got a playback. And we have settled the linear trouble. So at the end of the contest, Yaa Asantewaa Girls Senior High School had 19 points. St. Louis Senior High School had 31 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School and Amaniampong Senior High School each had 34 points. So we are going to have a tie break now. Quiet, quiet. I need the room to be dead quiet. Those at the back, please. Quiet. This is going to be a tiebreaker. The first school to give me a correct answer wins the day. This is going to be between Amaniampong and Our Lady of Grace. I wish the two of you all the best. Okay. You have 30 seconds for this. And this is my question. Find the equation of a curve with gradient. The expression 6x squared minus 2x plus 5, and passing through the point A, 1, negative 6. Yes, Amaniampong.
Y is equal to 2x to the power 3 minus x squared plus.
You are still working
5
out.
Plus,
go ahead. Plus 5.
Plus 5x.
Okay. Our Lady of Grace.
Y equals 2s
You
cubed
stopped.
minus 2s squared
Give me
plus
your,
5x.
Please, start.
Y equals 2s cubed minus 2s squared plus 5x minus 11.
What's the last value?
Negative 11. Negative
Negative
11.
11. Incorrect. The answer is y equals 2x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 12. Next question. Next question. I have cancelled that question. Next question. I have cancelled that question. Next question. This is in the speed race format. This is in the speed race format. As soon as you break, I take it you are done with your answer. For 30 seconds. Solve the trigonometric equation. Cos squared x is equal to 3 over 4 for the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Yes?
X equals pi over 6 radians, or x equals 5 pi on 6 radians.
Incorrect. Yes, Amaniampong. You never rang. Okay.
X.
They never rang. Okay. I called you. Please. I called Amaniampong. They did not mind me, so I said they never rang. Did I call you? Did I not call you? I called Amaniampong. When I said yes was wrong, I called Amaniampong, and you did not answer. So I said you did not. But the answer. Paul.